What's the meaning of choose? Choose. Choose.
Choose. Choose. The word choose means to make a decision between two or more options. It is the act of selecting one option from a set of alternatives based on certain criteria or preferences. When someone chooses, they are actively making a choice based on their own judgment or assessment of available options. The resulting outcome of a choice can vary greatly depending on factors such as personal values, information, and circumstance. Ultimately, choosing involves taking responsibility for the decision made and potentially accepting the consequences that come with it.